Hi guys, welcome to the last long form video of the board series for this year, where I'm going to be sharing how you can score a 90 plus in your biology board exam. I remember I used to score in like 40s and 50s in my school bio exams, like midterms, pre-boards and stuff, out of 70 that is. But I scored a 94 in boards, so this video is also a little reminder that if your pre-boards or other exams in school didn't go that well, or if you feel that you haven't prepared much yet, last minute studying can make a huge difference in your final results. So yeah, let's get started. If y'all have watched the previous videos of the board series, y'all probably know what the first tip is going to be. NCERT. Bio is a theory subject, and the best way to prepare for bio is reading NCERT. I remember I used to read a chapter for like 2-3 days or even more sometimes. First, I'll read a paragraph or a page of the chapter normally, like at a normal pace, how I would normally read. Then I went back to where I started reading and read it again, in smaller parts this time, to actually understand what it meant. Then after I was done with like 2-3 pages of reading, I did a little active recall thing, just quickly recall all the topics I studied and made up a summary in my mind, so all of it just fit right into my head. And whenever I revised the chapter during exams, I could remember the concepts faster. I mean, you can't really do that right now, like read a chapter for 2 days because there are literally like 2 days left for the exam. But what I meant was, you don't just have to read and memorize, but actually understand the concept so that you can explain it in your own words as well in the exam. Revise NCERT line by line because direct questions do come from there. The next thing you should do is, after you're done reading a chapter or maybe 2 chapters, go through the questions for those chapters so that now you not just know the concepts but also understand how to apply them, because application based questions have become really important for boards now, like competency based questions, case based questions and all of that. Right now, for last minute preparation, I'd say do previous year questions. Many a times important previous year questions are repeated, so if you've already gone through them, it's just so much easier. If you have already done previous year questions, you can do the NCERT exemplar questions. They are available on many websites along with the solutions. It has many kinds of questions like MCQs, assertion reasoning, match the following, short answers, long answers and more. It will help you deepen your understanding of the topic. Now coming to MCQs. MCQs can be really confusing. I lost a lot of my marks in MCQs in every subject. In one of my board exams and also a few of my school exams, actually, I got the entire theory section correct and I lost marks in MCQs. So I just don't like MCQs at all. It's either right or wrong. There is no in between. So you lose an entire mark if you get it wrong. So all you can do for MCQs is practice solving, like a lot of them. I remember I had solved around 300 MCQs before my bio exam, which actually made me so much more confident. Like, what else can they even ask? It will in some way be related to the MCQs I've practiced, and you'll also actually get a few concepts cleared while you're solving the MCQs. So wherever you get MCQs, be it in previous year questions, exemplar or any websites, just solve them. At least previous year questions and the exemplar ones, you have to do them. The next one is one of the most important tips for bio: practice diagrams. They don't have to be artistically drawn, just enough for the examiner to understand. Before your exam, maybe the night before, or if you wake up early to study, take a quick look at all the diagrams in the textbook along with the labels. Sometimes they might just give you a diagram labeled A, B, C, D, E, and you have to answer what the labels are and maybe explain the function sometimes. Or they might directly ask you to make a diagram and label it. For any question, even if it's not asked but you remember the diagram clearly, and if you have time, make it. Bio is generally not a lengthy paper, so time management is not really an issue. The next one, we usually tend to ignore the tables, charts and graphs in NCERT, and the diagrams which we feel won't be asked. Don't ignore them because they can be asked as a case-based study question. Everything in NCERT is important, so whenever you come across a diagram, a table or a graph, think of how it can be asked as a question and what all you need to know for that. There are also a few questions where they give you a table, some rows of which are filled, and you have to complete the table. So when you see a table, graph or diagram in NCERT, go through it and also read the description below to understand what it is about. Okay, this one will be one of the most important last minute tips. Use ChatGPT for your preparation. Yes, you can ask any concept you did not understand, ask it to give you questions and formula sheets, short summaries of keywords, mnemonics, all the processes in short and in flowchart so that it's easier for you to understand. So, yeah, make use of AI in a good way to help you prepare for your exam. It can give you anything and everything you want for your last minute preparation. The next tip, don't leave any question unanswered. Write whatever you know about the topic, but don't leave it blank or unattempted. You do get marks if it's related and valid in some way. I have made a video on last minute tips for birds which has tips like these, so go check it out if you haven't yet. Okay, now that you have studied everything, another important part is presenting your paper well. Answering in bullet points, underlining the keywords. I have made a separate long video on paper presentation where I've also shown my pre-boards answer sheets, so please go check it out. I'm sure it will be helpful. I think bio is the last exam for most of you guys, so I'm pretty sure y'all are more excited than stressed for the exam. For me, bio was so much easier than physics and chemistry. Like, after I was done with the exam itself, I knew I was going to score well because the questions were actually very direct. So if you all follow the tips I mentioned in this video, I'm pretty sure your exam is going to go really well too. Just give your best, guys. You're not going to study for boards after this just one more time. And yeah, all the best for your exam. Let me know how it went in the comment section after you're done. Also, let me know how all your exams went actually. I'd love to know that. Be confident, don't stress out, go rock. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.